Don't curse. I'm gonna try not to curse that much in today's video because people have been saying I've been cursing a lot, but like I can't even help it. Just so you guys are aware, I know that I look hit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Halloween edition giggle. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So you guys, today's video I thought would be really fun to recreate one of Nikkietutorials' Halloweek looks. So Nikkie, if you guys don't know who Nikkie is, what? Like, no puedo comprehend. Like, Nikkie is that bitch and she will always be that bitch. She's the queen of beauty. Such a talented YouTuber, and every year during Halloween time she does Halloweek, which is basically 7 days of uploads back to back of different Halloween looks. And I saw her upload a video the other day and I was like, I was gagged when I saw her do this like Phantom of the Opera mask like on the side of the face. It was very like, you know, I don't even know how to explain it, but it was very fucking cool. And I saw a photo of it on Instagram and I thought, I want to do that. Okay, so you guys, something about me too. I'm not the most, how do I put this without clocking myself that hard? I am not the type of person that does these kinds of looks. I don't do these like avant-garde, really cool, fascinating, unique looks. I don't know how to do any special effects. I don't know how to work with liquid latex. I don't know how to do any of that kind of stuff. And it's not something I practice either. You know, I'm a copper eye, nude lip kind of girl. Like, that's just what I like. So it's not something I ever really practiced. So I thought it'd be really fun to just try doing this look that Nikkie created. And I'm like, you know what? Why don't we just try it out? Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can't. But that's like the whole fun part about trying to follow a tutorial, is seeing if you can do it. You know, I'm definitely not as skilled of an artist as Nikkie is. I will 100% admit that that I'm definitely not as good as her, but that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a tutorial. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill. But if you guys do like this video, please go and give this video a like, a subscribe to my channel, and a comment down below where you're from, and I would love to just chat with you guys. I love commenting back to you guys in my comment section because you guys are just so freaking awesome. I just said freaking. Are you excited? Like, are you proud of me? Because I'm trying not to say that F word as much, but it's hard. But yeah, so we're gonna get into this video. We are now officially on Nikkie's page. Hold on, okay. Hey guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hello. That's her intro.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hello.
Like, it just, she has like a little intro thing. It's so cute to me. What is over here? She just has a cute little intro and I think it's adorable. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and Phantom of Makeup Mask Halloween tutorial. Let's click it.
To Halloweek Day 3. I can't believe we are nearing the midst of Halloweek. It's only the midst. I've been waking up at 5 every
She's so
day
pretty.
And I'm like, oh, I'm dead.
T.
Today is going to be a fun one. So I've been walking around with this idea for such a long time now, ever since I saw Shawn Mendes's album cover.
She just said Shawn Mendes. You guys, Shawn Mendes is my ultimate crush.
To me, makeup is powerful. Makeup is strong. Makeup gives you confidence, and it's here to make you feel your best you. I mean,
why is she so cute?
Why
is she so cute? Makeup shaming is definitely alive and well, especially for men in makeup. For all the girls out there, aka boys, that wear makeup out in public, it sucks sometimes, but we'll get through it. Nikkie's never practiced this look, she just said. I will. Amazing. This is literally, you already know there's gonna be videos floating around MannyMua trying to be friends with Nikkietutorials for 5 minutes straight.
Let's go.
Her little intro is fucking adorable.
Marvel, call me. Someone look at her.
Nikkie's such a dork, like I just love it.
When I look at all of this, I see that it heightens up the forehead, so it should.
Okay, so she's using a pen. Okay, give me a second. Okay, she's using a pen. That looks like a really industrial-ass pen. Maybe we can just do a lip liner right now. She's using like a brown. What is she using? It's like a brown.
Okay, bye, Shawn. Bye for now. Bye.
We can't ever say bye to Shawn. You can never say bye to Shawn.
Alrighty, so for foundation, I'm gonna make a mixture of
okay. Lancome? The fuck did she just say?
Lancome, teint, ils ont transformé en rond. I also put an amount of
Oh! She just slapped me in the face with that gorgeous language.
foundation on my head
Okay.
that could cover a city.
T.
Plans tonight.
Oh, wait, I have the foundation. Give me a second. Tient idolate otorueo. No? Well, I'm just trying my best, okay? Okay, question. Is this enough space? I don't feel like it is, you guys. Okay, you know what? Maybe we can just erase some of that. Damn, these ultra long wear. Just make it a little bit bigger. Not like anything crazy, but a little bigger. Okay.
Do you want to try and stay in the orange? But, you know,
She's using her furry sponge. I don't have that.
That's fine. I'm just coaching myself through this entire video.
Good, because you're coaching me too, sweetheart. Thanks.
All right, for concealer,
This is so not my shade. This is so not my shade. What am I thinking? Nikki, you have to give me 1 second, sweetheart, because honestly, what is this? Fenty, please help me. So I give her trying something new. My God, what was I thinking? I mean, it won't be that bad because we're trying to make it look like a mask, but still. That oxidation was so real. I used the shade 230 Buff. Clearly, I'm in the ones. I'm in the ones. Oh, I'm going outside the lines. Okay, in the general vicinity. And the general vicinity.
All right, for concealer, Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in Chiffon.
I don't have that. I don't have that.
Set using my Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline.
Wait, Nikki. You're going so fucking fast. Okay, we have that on. So underneath the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powders too. I love this powder for underneath the eyes. Love it, you guys. I'm telling you, this is so good. And Nikki's telling you too, so obviously, like, listen. Hello, if you want to be a goddess like her, listen. Listen. To the sound deep in my heart. No? I'm gonna go ahead and take my Too Faced Ethereal Powder, my Born This Way powder for the rest of the face. We are setting the mask with powder. Oh my gosh, it's looking masky.
Okay, that part was easy. So now I feel like we should go all out. You know,
Okay.
This is the time. If
Oh,
you
so
wanna
this is
do
the time.
Super, like, extreme, colorful, bright eyes, super, like, intense and dramatic. So I'm starting off by drawing a line on the.
We're doing brows? Okay. I can do brows. Hello. Okay, but how does she make hers look so sickening?
Going in with, like, a felt tip marker, brow pen thingy. Like, I'm cutting my makeup time in half today.
Yes, mother.
Okay, let's do the eyes, and I really want to go for something colorful
Okay,
today.
break. Taking a break because I need to finish the brows. Oh my god, it's literally a fucking mask. You know, it's a sweet mask, not a mean one. This part, you guys, is like the easy part because we're doing like normal facey stuff. So right now we're on the easy portion. I want to know how Nikki comes up with this kind of shit, honestly. How does she do it? How does she do it? I mean, of course, she's inspired by Shawn Mendes in this section, but you know what I mean? It takes a real artist to pull that kind of shit off.
I'm going in with this Certified Tropical Wonders palette.
I don't have that.
This has got amazing bright colors. And I want to go in with the color Bermuda first. And I'm sticking
Oh, she's going in with something minty.
part
Oh my god, give me a second, Nikki. I need more brushes. Why does everyone want to text me right at this exact second? Like, ahorita. My god. So she's going in because she's Nikkietutorials and she can. So I don't have that tropical palette that she has, but I have my Life's a Drag palette. So I'm just going to go in with my own palette. And we're going to use a mixture of Kiki and Fishy to give us a nice little aqua moment. Moment like this.
and kind of start doing soft circular motions at the edge. And brush flat against the skin. And
Nikki's
right
hella
side
right.
I'm doing left and right motions.
Flat against the skin.
On the inner part of the crease, I'm using this Toucan color.
Okay, so she's doing an orange. I'm just gonna do a full ass yellow and a little bit of red. That came out so much more red. Oh my fuck. Cool. Okay, wait, we need to pause it because she's doing some intricate ass witchcraft shit right now. My honey fell on you. Why do I think I can be sickening and do this extra mix? I don't know. Okay, guys, so obviously this is gonna be a an interpretation. Oh my god, I feel like fucking Rocio right now. Oh my god. That looks so Cool. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the crease like Nikki said. Okay, she cut it like a real legit cut. Like she did a badass bitch cut. Like I need to do one of those. We're gonna cut it. Cut these hoes off like I cut a crease. You know what? Okay, trick. Let's go ahead and put it on the base right here.
Now I'm setting the lid using a lighter shade.
Nikki, like that.
Okay, I am living for this. Okay, now I'm gonna line underneath using some neon liners.
That's beautiful. I don't have neon liners. I don't even know what that means. I look like a pendejo, while Nikki looks like a goddess. She's doing eyeliner. Okay, we're gonna do baby liner. Okay.
Okay, time for some lashes and some rhinestones, and then we can finally focus
Lashes and rhinestones,
on
she said.
finishing this mask.
Oh my God.
Alrighty, so the look and brow.
That's so pretty. Because she did like a little beak. Oh my God. Okay, so she said that she's gonna do eyeliner and stuff off camera. So I'm gonna do that stuff off camera. I mean lashes and rhinestones. I'll be right back, you guys. Wish me luck. I need it. I need it so bad. So I will say that lashes cure most wounds. Most wounds that we feel inside, lashes cure them. Stay down. Hey, there we go. So Nikki, what do we do next? I worked really hard on this.
Start off by bronzing my skin using my Jouer
Bronzing
duo.
I can
and
do that.
I'm just gonna start from outside the mask and then work it in, warming up the nose. Same goes for blush. And then it's time to highlight. Really focus on that cheek and make it beaming.
Okay.
For lips, I'm gonna line.
Holy
to make it
shit, she is
dramatic.
glowing. She looks gorgeous. Okay. She said she wanted a blinding ass highlight, so we're gonna go in with a blinding ass highlight. Bitch!
For lips, I'm gonna line to make it dramatic.
Okay, we're lip lining. She used some lip paints from Fenty. I got those too. Okay, Hunty, we are doing this for the drama. And you guys, this is like Nikki said, this is a mask, so we can really go in. And in case you guys are wondering, this is MAC Boldly Bare. This used to be my favorite lip liner of all time when I worked at MAC. Okay, let that dry down. It's actually kind of coming together. I'm not like as mad at myself as I thought I was going to be, to be honest. I thought I was going to like literally want to punch myself in the face. Okay. Then what, Nikki? Okay, she has a claw and she's using her claws to... Holy shit, that made a difference right there. Oh my God, this is literally turning into a mask. I'm gonna scream. I'm not a nail person. Like, I don't wear, like, falsy nails like a lot of, people do. But moments like this, I wish I did. So we have everything wiped so far. You guys, this looks gnarly as hell. Maybe I should really try more, to do looks like this. Like, it's not like I can't do makeup. Like, I can, but I don't know. Okay, Nikki, what next?
Excited. So now we're going to shade in the depth. You just want to intensify the shadow along the corner here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What she says goes. Hello. Hello. Taking the contour shade. Whoa.
To taper it out and not make it as broad.
Holy shit.
And then with the white, I'm going to highlight just at the border.
Nikki looks really cool. Okay, wait. We're gonna focus on the shading. We're gonna go back to that. I'm gonna do some shading off camera. I'm gonna do that contour brown and the black, and I'll be right back. 7 hours later. Okay, people. So we are getting somewhere. Also, I'm not the best at this kind of shading shit. Like, I'm just not the best at the shading motherfucking shit. So this is what we have so far. I honestly think it didn't turn out too bad, actually. Like, I don't hate it. Gag. The hardest shading is definitely up here. 100% for me. That is not the sweet spot at all. Okay. What is next, Miss Tutorials? Sorry, I keep looking at myself because I actually think I did a pretty fucking good job. Oh, she's going in. She is going in with the highlights. Holy shit.
It's a plastic mask, so I'm just adding highlights.
You guys, now I'm just kind of going willy-nilly at this point. Don't know what I'm doing. And we're having fun because you know what? Makeup is fun. Like, it's just a fun thing that us bitches like to do. How does this look? Is this alright? Is this decent? Okay, guys, and that is it for today's video. I followed Nikkietutorials' Halloween look, and honestly, you guys, It took a long time. Fuck yeah, it did. It took a very, very, very long time. But honestly, Nikkie teaches very, very well, and I was able to follow along, and I thought I accomplished a look that's pretty, not saying it's definitely exact in any way, shape, or form, but I didn't think I did that bad. Like, it could have been a lot worse. But it really does, like, kind of look very masky. It's very weird. It's a weird ass look, but I really, really, really enjoyed it. Hope you guys had fun watching it. Thank you, Nikkietutorials, for being the sickening ass freaking creator that you are, and for doing HalloWeek, and it's very, very fun watching her videos, and I had so much fun creating it for you guys. And I'm sorry if I was a little bit more quiet in today's video. Usually when I'm concentrating like I was today, I'm a little bit more quiet in the videos, just because I feel like I really need to concentrate as hard as I possibly fucking can, especially when I don't do things like this very often. But I thought it turned out pretty cool, and I'm really, really actually genuinely happy with it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Mwah. Alright. I love being a mess. Okay. Let's start this. Fuck, I look rough. I just showered, so I don't have an excuse. I didn't just wake up, I showered. I just don't look good in V-necks. I've come to realize that V-necks and me, we are not one. We are not in sync. We have no syncope whatsoever. So you guys, shout out JoJo Siwa moment. Come on! My phone wants to try me so like, she has like a little intro thing. It's so cute to me. She just has a cute little intro, and I think it's adorable. She's so pretty. Why is she so cute? I will. Her little intro is fucking adorable. Nikkie's such a dork. Like, I just love it. Good, because you're coaching me too, sweetheart. Thanks. Hello, if you want to be a goddess like her, listen. Yes, mother. I want to know how Nikkie comes up with this kind of shit, honestly. How does she do it? It takes a real artist to pull that kind of shit off. Because she's Nikkietutorials and she can.
For lips, I'm gonna line.
Holy shit, she is glowing. She looks gorgeous. Okay. Yes, ma'am. What she says goes. Hello. Hello.
I'm gonna highlight just at the border.
Nikkie looks really cool.
Inside of the mask to create this